lovely beauties, this is Hema from Shivani's Boutique, spreading colors globally. What's new today in Shivani's Boutique? It's office wear, casual wears where you can like wash and tear fabric. These are all. So the first one is a silk cotton with a beautiful mission embroideries all over, and this is the pant, and this comes with an amazing dupatta. See this dupatta, it's so pretty, and I've got beautiful colors in this. 1, 2 and then 3 colors. These are right now available in our website for prices and product descriptions. So you can log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the above link, which will straight away leads to that page. Whatever it's sold out, it will not be there in the first 2-3 pages. It will be there in the 4th and 5th pages. You can see all those things. This is little bit of value added, and see this comes this way, and this is the pant, and this with a beautiful dupatta. And one more color is this, a blood red color. All right, and see this beautiful light color with a neckwork. All our machine embroideries over here, and this is the top, this is the pant. I wanted to open the dupatta and show because this is the highlighting in this portion. So this comes this way, where I have got one more color is this, such a beautiful nice color. And then it is this, a navy blue. See this, all right, I'll open this navy blue color and pant. Since because it's a festive time, even for casual wear, this comes little bit of it adds little bit of richness. So the dupatta is this, and one more shade in this, slight difference, but more or less same, where you have got these things in this. And then comes this. See, this fabric is so nice. These are all washable fabric, and these are all mixed fabric, so that you can wash and tear, like don't need maintenance at all. Some people are there, madam, I can't maintain, I just wanted to wash and wear it, go just like that. For these people, these products are the best, where I have got lovely colors in this. For this lighting, the colors are little different, so that you can check in our website and then place your order. And once again, this, all the fabrics are entirely different. It's not cotton, it's a mixed fabric. Alright, it's a modal silk fabric, and then it comes with a beautiful, amazing dupattas. Are dupatta concepts are now in trend. See, this is how it is. And the breadth is this much only, so that you can flaunt it. It's not too heavy. Alright, and this comes with the dupatta, where I have got beautiful colors in these. See this, nice colors, all are mustard yellow. See this, pretty ones. Alright, and then this deep maroon color. It's really nice showing each day. I'm showing lots and lots of collections, especially during this festive time, because people will be like what to say, they will be like mad going here and there. What could be the new product that I can wear it and go and show to my friends, to my relatives, and wearing these things are so good. It's a kota dupatta, mixed kota dupatta, and once again the colors are these lovely colors. All are nice sober colors. You can find nice beautiful colors. See, this is a dupatta. All right, and then comes this cotton. I have mentioned whether it is a cotton, whether it's a mixed fabric, everything we have mentioned in our website, so that you guys can place your orders according to your wish. And this comes with the chiffon dupatta. Alright, and I've got beautiful colors in this. See, 1, 2 and then 3 colors, all comes with a red color matching. Alright, and then this, once again, this cotton, 1, 2 and then 3 and then 4, all 4 colors. I'll open this color. Lovely it is. It's a zari self-checked top with a beautiful cotton dupatta printed pant. It's so nice. See this, such a beautiful it's a modal mixed cotton fabric, and this comes at the top. There are colors in this. See this, nice colors, all are with nice colors. So with a contrast matching, all are contrast matching. All right, and then what's next? See this. Once again, it is cotton. All of these cotton fabrics are really washable fabric. Alright, and I'll open this yellow color. Yellow color is really my favorite color. Pink is favorite, white is favorite, black is favorite. It depends upon the design. See, you have this design, and once again, this is the pant, and this comes with the beautiful soft cotton dupatta. See this, so that you guys can flaunt it. This is really lightweight dupatta. This comes this way. Little value added, and I've got beautiful colors in this. See, this color combinations are too good. And one more is this. All right, and then once again, these are all still cotton mixed fabric. 1, 2. It's a beautiful sober color, where the pant on the top is the same color. All right, and this comes with an amazing, beautiful dupatta. Silk cotton dupatta. The cotton is more in this. Lovely it is. See how beautiful it is. So pretty. All right, and then comes this 1, 2, and then 3. All right, this comes with a beautiful neck pattern. Lovely. See how pretty it is. So good it is. And this comes with the same pant, and the concept now, it is the dupatta concept. These are all with a casual budget range where you can afford. It's all affordable prices, and this is how it is. All right, and then comes this. See this, 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4 beautiful colors. I'll open this color. This comes with the handwork. See, this is a silk cotton fabric. How beautiful it is looking. And then this is the pant, and the highlighting is the dupatta. It's so nice. See how well it goes with this. It's a light and bright color combination, and these 4 are assets. See how light and bright. I love this, light and bright. Once again, it's light and bright. Hope you guys enjoy seeing my episode with lots and lots of beautiful collections of casual budgeted wears. See this. This comes with the neck pattern. In this episode, there are a whole lot of stuffs which we are showing. It's not only cotton. This comes with the zari border here, and this is the pant, and this is the beautiful dupatta. See this dupatta. I wanted to open and show because you guys can understand how it really looks, and because of this light, there are slight color changes. So this is how it looks. And then comes this. These are the different color combination. Lovely. All are pretty colors. Whichever you want, you can go for it. And then see, once again, it's a mixed fabric, silk cotton fabric. Open this and show. All are pretty beautiful collections. Just like that, you can grab. And this is the pant. This comes with an amazing dupatta. See this, so pretty. This design is now in trend. It's coming in all the fabric, and once again the other color is this. All right, and then see, this is a casual wear, and the fabric is too amazing. The color combination is very pretty. Where I'll open my favorite. See this, so nice and lovely color it is. It's a light color with a soft color matching. It's nice, no? The concept itself, it's very pretty. With a laria dupatta. Lovely it is. Lovely. So I've got nice colors in this. Orange, green, and then aqua green. Then comes these. It's 1, 2, and then 3, and then 4 colors. This is a silk cotton fabric, mixed fabric. These are a really easy maintenance. You can wash it just like that. No maintenance is needed, actually speaking. And this comes the amazing dupattas. This episode is a dupatta concept because there are lots and lots of new dupattas, and the dupattas are also really lightweight. This comes this way, and I've got number of see 1, 2, 3, and then 4 beautiful collections. Then comes this cotton. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 color matching. I'll open this pista green color. What is really amazing are the dupattas and the color combinations. So there are only 7 colors, but how we mix and match and how we do creatives, that is the most important thing. Playing with colors. See how it is? Nice, no? Floral dupatta with a zigzag. Something mix and match concept. So this is how it is. 1, 2, 3, and then 4 different colors. Alright, and then my last piece is this. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. These are all printed ones. I'll open this blue color. All are soft colors. Lovely, it is so pretty. Super duper, with a beautiful top and with a pant with an amazing dupatta. How does it look on me? So nice, and I've got nice colors in this. All are different colors. Alright, it's done today. For prices and product descriptions, please log on to our website www.shivanisboutique.com, else click the link which will straight away leads to you to that page. And we'll be meeting with lots and lots of festive collections like bridal beauties, soft silk sarees, and so many exclusive tassels we are planning for the next coming days, just a week. It's going to be super duper at Shivani's Boutique. Stay tuned. Thank you so much. Stay safe and bye bye.